Hi everyone, and welcome to a video about the Pickit 2.4 software release. So one of the major things towards the forging industry is that we now here have a bin of cylinders. And what do you see when you go to detection? So we had teach from camera, teach from CAT, but what is new now is that you have teach from a cylinder model. So I know my steel billets are 75 by 270 in length. I teach, and what Pickit now does, he will generate a 3D model. That's what you see happening here. So he's generating a 3D model that he will fit onto the point cloud. Why is it so important? Pickit does everything automatically now for you. So I told him how long and how wide they are in diameter, and now you basically get all of these pickable objects. So Pickit doesn't only create a model, fits the model, but he also puts two pick points on the surface of the cylinder. Why? We assume we're going to pick them up with a magnet gripper. So what is pick point 1? Pointing upwards. Pick point 2, pointing downwards towards the cylinder. And what's even more interesting, and that's what you see here, so this is the tool model that you see here, there is a symmetry axis. So we built for you guys a symmetry axis. That's this pink axis that goes all the way through the billet. What does it allow? There's a full symmetry axis, so that means the pick frame can evolve all the way 360 degrees around the billet, and you can pick it from all of these sides. What does it mean? That's what you see here for number 2. That Pickit can basically, let's go at number 2, Pickit can basically tilt away from the bin, because it's free to tilt away on that circle, on the surface, to find the best approach angle to pick that object up. And so for each object, Pickit has calculated what the best way to approach it without colliding with other objects or colliding with the side of the bin. What else is interesting? We're using a specialized tool, and that's our smart gripper, and that has flexibility and has an adaptable tooltip. So that means you can even pick billets under an angle. That's what you see here. The gripper is a bit angled that way. And so it speeds up the whole cycle time and makes the application very, very robust. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.